Hello everyone. In our last lesson we prepared our methods on the controller side. In this lesson we will add a new category. First we need a form label. Before we need category list code. Where is category list? This is category list. Okay, and choose this here, select, right click, copy, and right click, paste. Okay, good. You can delete this table here. Okay, and you can delete add new category. Good. Div class card body, no problem. We can use this code. In this lesson we will add a new category. First we need a form. We need a form. And we need method. The method type of our form must be post. Form method post. Okay, our form is ready. Can I see our create category view? Ctrl Shift W, and our variable table is okay. Good, no problem. Good. Thus, the comments in this form will trigger the post method. Let's write our codes. We need only category name. And the layer concrete and category stats. We need category stats. Okay, no problem. Label name is category name. We need input type text and sp-4 category name. Where is category name? Model category. Okay, only name. Okay, category name. And we need class for css form control. Okay, good. And br, and we need button class btn space btn hyphen primary. Button name is create category. Okay, good. Let's run. Ctrl Shift W. Okay, good. The ASP-4 statement works depending on the model. Our codes are ready. Okay, and change to this here. Tables, basic tables. No. Categories. Add category. Basic tables instead of new create category. Okay, new create category. Okay, and variable table delete this here. Add category panel. Good. And let's again run. Good. Let's run the application to run our test. Category name test1, create category, and okay, our category name is ready. Status is not true. Go to category list, and this name is, where is it? This name is status. Okay, good. Ctrl Shift W, and categories / category list is ready. Okay, add new category link. We need delete this here, and category and create category. Okay, and let's again run. Add new category, create category. Why is don't run category? Categories, excuse me, categories. Pluralize. Control Shift W. Categories / category, create category, and add new category. Okay, our category name, our category page is ready. Good. Our adding process is working. We haven't used any validation here yet. We will use it in future lessons. Now let's write the deletion operation. Deletion is done according to the ID value. Deletion should not be done by name or any other value because there can be more than one value with the same name. Okay, let's write deletion public action result delete category int id and underscore category service dot t delete with id and return redirect to action. We need to go to category list. Okay, good. All we need to do for deletion is to add a link to our list. Where is it? Category list, and for delete categories and delete category for, this is very important, for add item dot category id. Okay, this category id, don't forget. Good. Our deletion process is ready. We can try. Ctrl Shift W. First, we add a new category. Category name is test2, create category, okay, and delete this here. Delete is okay. Our delete operation is ready. Very good. Okay, good. Let's create update method. We need update method. The update process takes place in two steps. In the first step, the data to be updated is called. In step 4, the update process is performed. The part where the data to be updated will be called is HTTP GET. We need HTTP GET public action result update category, and we need ID. Okay, and value underscore category service nokta get by ID with ID. Okay. Don't forget to back to view with value. Okay, our update category with HTTP GET is ready, and we need HTTP post. Okay. Public action results update category. We need category to category. Okay, and underscore category service dot t update category and return redirect to action category list. Okay, good. Let's create a view for the update process. Right click, add the view, razor view, and use a layout page. Choose add button. In structure, it's very similar to the addition process. The only difference is that we will add the ID value to the page during the update process. Users don't need to see the ID value, therefore we can write the ID value is hidden. Okay, we need category, create category page, and first we need model for category. Close and again open, go to view, category is ready. Okay, we need this here, we can delete this here. Okay, and right click, copy, and right click, paste. Okay, good. Categories, add category instead of update, update category, update category operation. Okay, update category panel. We will change this here next lessons, category name, and we need category ID, copy and paste. You can delete this here, input type hidden and hidden. Okay, sp-4 category ID. Okay, why are you don't come on? Okay, category ID and create category, not create category, we can use update or edit category, button class btn space btn hyphen success. Okay, our category is ready. Good. We can start. Before we need link categories, update category, and categories update category, and we need item dot category ID. Okay, Ctrl Shift W. I'm waiting. Snacks to update. Okay, snacks SSS update category. Okay, our category name is ready. Good. That's enough. Thank you for watching this video. See you next lesson. Have a good day. Have a good time.